So Samsung recently released its new Galaxy A51 in India. So it is going to be on sale from a few days from now. So people are worried, should we buy that phone on, or should you, is it really worth to upgrade from a Samsung Galaxy A50 to A51? Today in this video we'll be breaking down you should buy this phone or not. So the major differences we can see between the both these phones is that the camera. Yes, the Samsung Galaxy A51 is rocking a 48 megapixel primary sensor along with the ultra wide included in it and depth sensor, and another it has the same battery and a slight optimized processor, nothing else to be considered in this new releases. So I would probably say this is not a good idea to upgrade from Galaxy A50 to A51 because a price gap of 10,000 really matters when it comes to just upgrading your camera for the brand. Whether if you're thinking to buy the new A50 A51, then I would suggest to go with its competitors at the price point 24,000 rupees. I mean, the Redmi ones and the Realme ones are really doing well in the market as of now and has a very good reviews. So I would probably suggest not to go with the Samsung Galaxy A51, or if you really you are a big fan of Samsung Galaxy smartphones back in times, then the One UI in this really enhances your experience. And if you and what I would suggest is to go for the Samsung Galaxy A50s, which would cost around 18,000 rupees on Amazon and Flipkart for a 6 GB variant, which is a good choice in my opinion. It is also rocking the same processor which the Samsung Galaxy A51 has in it, and costing with a price difference of around 6,000 rupees. So you can save that 6,000 rupees to to buy any other fancy stuffs. So this was my opinion on Samsung Galaxy A51, which didn't really make me happy with the release. Because I would have expected a much better for the price and the sensation what the phone created and the leaks when we consider all this. So I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, make sure you guys subscribe and press the bell icon over there. Yadu Yash signing off for now.